Are you feeling stressed about your upcoming holiday travel? If so, you're not alone. But dear friend, let's rethink this. Traveling, especially during the holidays, should be about joy, discovery, and relaxation, not stress. The key to turning this around? Effective planning. Yes, it's that simple. A well-thought-out plan can make all the difference between a chaotic trip and a serene getaway. By the end of this video, you'll have a set of practical tips to make your holiday travel more enjoyable and stress-free. The first step to stress-free travel is planning ahead. Early planning not only saves you from last-minute surprises, but also gifts you with more affordable options. Imagine securing that dream flight at a bargain price, or booking your preferred accommodation before it's snapped up. That's the beauty of planning ahead. But it's not just about flights and accommodation. A well-thought-out plan includes a checklist of things to do before you embark on your journey. This could range from packing your essentials well in advance to setting up auto-pay for your bills to keep things running smoothly back home. Don't forget to arrange care for your pets if you have any, so they are well taken care of while you're away. These steps may seem simple, but they can make a huge difference in minimizing stress and maximizing enjoyment during your holiday travels. Remember, the earlier you start planning, the less stressful your travel will be. Next, let's talk about packing. Now, we all know that packing can be a bit of a puzzle, but it doesn't have to be. It's all about being smart and light. Think about what you truly need. Make a packing list to ensure you don't forget anything. Consider the weather of your destination. It's good to be prepared for any surprises Mother Nature might throw at you. Don't forget to factor in your activities. Are you going to be hiking, swimming, or attending a fancy dinner? Each requires a different set of clothing and gear. And here's a golden rule. Always keep your essentials in your carry-on. This includes your travel documents, medications, and any valuable items. Not only does this keep them safe, but it also ensures you have everything you need at arm's length. Remember, packing smart not only reduces stress, but also makes your travel more comfortable. Another key to stress-free travel is flexibility. It's a known fact that travel is a dynamic experience, with its fair share of unexpected turns. Whether it's a delayed flight, a last-minute gate change, or an unexpected detour, changes are part and parcel of any journey. But don't let these unexpected moments dampen your spirits. Instead, embrace them with an open mind and a flexible approach. Having a flexible mindset allows you to adapt to changes and turn potential stresses into opportunities for new experiences. It's also beneficial to have a backup plan in place. If your flight gets canceled, what's your alternative route? Having such plans up your sleeve can bestow a certain peace of mind. Additionally, considering travel insurance could be a smart move. It can provide a safety net for those unexpected situations, from lost luggage to emergency medical needs. Being flexible and prepared for changes can significantly reduce your travel stress. Finally, don't forget to take care of yourself. As we all know, travel can be exhilarating yet exhausting. The key to maintaining your energy and enthusiasm lies in self-care. Hydration is essential. It's easy to forget to drink water while you're busy exploring new places, but dehydration can quickly sap your energy. Keep a water bottle handy and make sure you're drinking enough throughout the day. Eating healthily is equally important. Local cuisines are a part of the travel experience, but remember to balance indulgence with nutrition. Seek out fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to keep your body fueled and functioning at its best. Don't skimp on sleep. Your body needs rest to recover from the day's adventures. A well-rested traveler is a happy traveler. Take time to relax and enjoy the journey. Don't rush. Keep your sense of humor. Remember, minor mishaps can make for the best stories later. Taking care of yourself is the ultimate way to reduce stress and make your holiday travel a pleasant experience. In summary, stress-free holiday travel is within your reach. By planning ahead, you can avoid last-minute hassles. Packing smart not only saves space but also spares you unnecessary worries. Embracing flexibility allows you to navigate unexpected situations with ease. And let's not forget the importance of taking care of yourself, because a relaxed mind leads to a relaxed journey. With these practical tips, you can make your next holiday travel less stressful and more enjoyable. Safe travels.